Leg?
Yeah.
Leg to leg?
I think we gotta go further down with the cut. All the way down to the tip. Oh my gosh.
There we go. Juice is coming out.
Did we puncture something?
Oh! No, it's just the formaldehyde. Do you smell anything?
No. I can't see. There's so much snot coming out of my nose because I'm laughing so hard. I don't know what to do. Okay, go the other way.
I went that way and that's what came out. Of course,
I
it's not.
needed to cut it just a little bit better.
Oh, I thought. Oh!
I can't do anything once we get in there. That's the problem. Oh my gosh. Some stuff came out.
Ew. I'm not looking.
Stop, I'm getting choked.
I'm not looking. I have to get a new glove.
You're not leaving. Help me pull it apart.
Bugs are coming. Why are bugs coming?
Help, we gotta pull it apart.
Okay.
Let's use this to like
I feel like it's closer.
pull it apart.
Okay. Gosh. Ooh.
Why am I doing more?
It's a rat. I'll do it on anything else but a freaking rat. The bugs aren't coming out of the rat.
No.
You promise?
Yes.
Ew. Gosh dang it.
I'm not seeing any. Oh, I'm seeing stuff now.
Ew. Ew.
Where the fuzz at, Holly?
Yeah, she's the one that takes care of dogs' teeth and everything that fall out of their face. I mean, that rubber band would be helpful.
Okay. Okay. Do we just need to put our fingers in there and pull it open?
Do you got some better tweezers? Who's here? They help?
I heard the door shut. Nobody. Help! Okay, now what do we do?
I felt the ribs.
Use a forceps or your fingers to keep the skin pulled away from the body as you. So we have. It says. So I think we have to take a picture of this. That we opened it. Now you will open your and examine. So, can you pry it open?